Hare Krishna, everyone! Having trouble avoiding caffeinated drinks and beverages? Here's a sure shot way for a swift shift to a wonderful, healthy, and palatable recipe from a real life experience. Try it out now, and you'll be amazed to see the results yourself. Herbal!
Hare Krishna. I'm going to show you a herbal tea recipe. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. And my herbal tea concoction is ready to offer to the Lord, and it really helped me also to quit from the normal tea to herbal tea, and you can also try.